Hi, I'm Emma.
Hi, I'm Pratt, and we are building MelloUp, which is a prompt-based ROI tracker for event-led marketing.
So let's say Sammy from Galaxy wants to try this. She starts with sharing her name, company, etc. And then she sets the marketing goals. Once she is able to sign in, Sammy can see the events that will align with her target audience. She can see more details by clicking on More Details.
Let's go to the homepage. Here, Sammy can view Galaxy's upcoming sponsored and popular events and basic analytics for their entire event spend. Now, let's go to the analytics dashboard. Here, Sammy can prompt to visualize the analytics. Sammy can see the top 10 leads to target in her next upcoming events also.
In the Integration tab, Sammy can integrate external data sources or upload data manually to make the ROI calculations even more accurate. In future, if Sammy wants to run some campaigns on the attendee data here, that will be possible too. So far, we have 5 design partners in the pipeline. Check out mellowup.io to learn more. Thank you.